going to show you how to make a very high quality living soil in 10 minutes. Clackamas Coot approved build a soil recipe. Check this out. I'm going to make 20 gallons, 80 liters in 10 minutes here. Let's talk about the ingredients I'm going to be using. First of all, Canadian peat moss. This is organic. And let's talk a little bit about the volume. This is 7 gallons. 7 gallons is the same as 28 liters. It's going to be a 3-part recipe. Peat moss. Second part, pumice. Pumice is a natural volcanic rock. It's very light, very porous, holds water, and check this out. It's so light, it floats. All those little air cavities help keep microbiology going well. And last but not least, these 2 parts of the recipe, so that's a cubic foot, or 7 gallons each. And last but not least, worm castings, 7 gallons of that. So that's the main 3 parts. There's the timer set on 10 minutes. To this 3-part mix, got the tarp here. We're going to be adding Clackamas Coot's nutrient kit. It's for a peat moss based living soil. And here's the minerals for that. Going to be adding a little bit of extra basalt. It's another volcanic rock. Some biochar. This is charged with Mycorrhizae. I'll be adding some extra of that. And after all that, I'll just be adding water. Oh, with the water, I do use this. It's a wetting agent, helps it to absorb into the soil quicker. Alright, so let's see if I can pull this off in 10 minutes. Okay, so here we go. Start off with the peat moss. Break that up a bit. Don't mind my narration of this project with my dog in the background. Break up the big lumps. It's still a little bit moist. This is organic Canadian peat moss. Doesn't add a lot of nutrients to it, but it sure holds a lot of moisture. A minute down, 9 minutes to go. Alright, that's looking pretty good. I'll break up the rest as we mix it. To that, I'm going to add a cubic foot of pumice. Start the mix here. Now worm castings. Some barley get in there and they started sprouting. That's not going to hurt anything. Spread that out, break it up. Rest of it. Rootworm castings. They're the best. 36 bucks, I think, for a cubic foot. Alright. Now to this. 2 cups per cubic foot for the nutrient blend. So we got 3 cubic feet in here, 6 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mineral mix, 4 cups per cubic foot, 1 liter per cubic foot. That's 12. 1, 2, 3, 11. So now that's the mineral mix to this. Some biochar. The 1 quart container. Add 2 quarts. Last but not least, a little bit of the Mycorrhizae. This stuff comes encased in clay. Alright, so I got 5 minutes left to mix this stuff. Trust the shovel. Saw how to do this on the Build a Soil channel. Check it out. There's a very thorough explanation of all the ingredients, the mineral mix, and the nutrient mix. How they collaborated with Clackamas Coot. If you haven't heard of him, Jim Bennett out of Oregon. He's one of the forerunners of the living soil movement. Alright, so now 4 minutes. Roll it around. Get it even looking. Water. It's about 21 gallons. 80 liters. 34 liters. To that we're going to add a gallon of water. 2 minutes. distilled water, and we don't have to worry about any kind of pH issues. It's flat balanced. Peat moss, a little bit acidic. Mineral mix takes care of that and balances it right out. So this will for sure fill 4 or 5 gallon containers, probably a little bit extra. Besides that, water in there. Alright, got 2 minutes. Got quite a bit of water yet to add to this, to be honest. I did get it mixed in about 8 minutes. See how much we get done by the time we hit the timer. You can see it soaking right in. Let's give it a little mix. It's still dry in there. Left. Well, I think you can see it's pretty easy to mix. Watering takes a bit. Should have done it earlier when it was raining outside. See how much we get done. Or I could just dump the water in, but I don't think that's a nice even coating. This will activate. We'll be transplanting very soon. Alright, down to 10 seconds here. So you can see we got a pretty good blend here. I still have to add, looks like about 3 more quarts of water, which I'll take care of. This stuff is great, and the cost is a lot lower than buying it already bagged. Do it yourself, save some money, and grow on.